If you want to fix your car, you take it to the mechanic workshop. If you want to fix your furniture, you take it to the furniture's workshop. If you want to fix your marriage, bring it here on Marital Workshop. Woo! Okay, this is the place where you get to discipline marriage with blessing. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Thanks to all my supporters. Thank you. I'm so grateful that you love my videos. Thank you. Okay, so today I want to talk to you about 3 magic words. You see these 3 magic words? They are powerful. Hey, these words are powerful. These magic words, I'm telling you, they are indeed magical. Yes, stay tuned. We will be right back. Woo! Welcome to Marital Workshop. Woo!